Hey guys, what's up? Hope everybody's well. It's been a while that I'm not posting anything here on LinkedIn. So today I decided to show some interesting things about Python and speech recognition and of course OpenAI GPT-3 because everybody is excited about that, right? So was kind of boring. Just go there in Chat-GPT and get answers. So I just decided to create my own chat GPT and not only chat, it will also talk with me like Alexa. So his name is Arthur. Then for doing this you need your OpenAI API key, right? Then the loop will wait for the right prompt. So here I have the prompt send email. So if I say send email, you execute all these steps here. And for doing this as well, you need the Gmail app key, right? So if it's not this prompt, then we'll move to the OpenAI and get the answer from there. So let's try it. Let me. Arthur,
Hey Conrad, how can I help?
send email. This is not a test.
Email, subject, example subject. This is not a test has been sent.
Okay, so it sent me email with this subject to the address that I hard coded there, right? So why I hard coded the subject and the email address is because sometimes it's very hard to the speech recognition software to understand what you are saying and sometimes can make some mistakes. And in my other test it has sent emails to wrong address and with wrong subject. So I just decided in this test to hard code everything, right? So let's see. Yeah, so checking my mailbox here, I just received the example subject and the prompt that I put there, that I told him to send, right? So he sent me, this is not a test. Okay, so what if I don't ask to execute the task, right? So let's call him again. Arthur, Arthur,
Hey Conrad, how can I help?
who is Donald Trump?
Donald Trump is the current president of the United States.
Hey, it's not the correct, but okay. Arthur, Arthur, Arthur. Sometimes the loop can be lost. Okay, let's run again. Arthur,
Hey Conrad, how can I help?
who was Nikola Tesla?
Nikola Tesla was a Serbian-American inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, physicist, and futurist who is best known for his contributions to the design of the modern alternating current, AC, electricity supply system.
That's a good one. He was not Serbian, but okay. Arthur, Arthur,
Hey Conrad, how can I help?
give me some PHP page example. What is the page?
GameStop login,
Oh,
login to GameStop username password login.
yeah, let's log into GameStop. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. It's been very funny, and I hope I'll come soon with more interesting things here about GPT and how to do some automation things. Okay, speak to you soon. Bye bye. Thank you.